for figure of merit using half deflection method. The circuit does not have a rheostat, so it has a battery connected to a galvanometer which is connected to a high resistance. In parallel to this, a low resistance and a plug key. Plug key is connected. The high resistance is adjusted for even deflection, and the low resistance is used to distribute current equally in the galvanometer and the low resistance. So we have set up the instrument. Battery eliminator comes to galvanometer, goes to high resistance goes back to battery eliminator. In parallel to that, we have a low resistance and a plug key. So connections can be made easily. Positive of galvanometer battery will come to galvanometer. From here it will go to the low resistance. Other end of low resistance will go to plug key. The other end of plug key will go to galvanometer. Galvanometer will go to resistance. Resistance will go back to battery. So the connections are made. Battery to galvanometer, galvanometer to low resistance to plug key back to galvanometer. Galvanometer goes to high resistance goes to battery. Now we remove high resistance such that it shows even deflection. We have removed 7700. Galvanometer is showing an even deflection of 18. So I got my R, I got my theta. Now when I close this plug key, as I close this plug key, galvanometer deflection will go down to 0. That is because the current is now not going across galvanometer but is going across this low resistance. Now to make sure half the current goes there, I will look for half the deflection. For that I will remove resistance from the low resistance. If I remove 110 ohm here, it is showing half of 18, which is 9. For the next trial, we will put it all back. I will open this plug key. It will show me the initial reading, 18. Now I will change high resistance to get another even deflection. So this is now 9700. And the deflection is, even deflection I have got of 14. Now when I close the plug key, it will become 0. Again I will remove 110, it will come to 7. Like this, the next trial is repeated.